Burping in space? It's not just a funny quirk, it's a serious business. In microgravity, everything floats. Gas, liquid, and solids all mixed together in your stomach. On Earth, when you burp, gravity helps keep things in check, letting just the gas escape. But in space, when you try to burp, you might end up with a wet burp. That's right, a burp that brings up some stomach fluid along for the ride. It's gross, but it's real. Astronauts have to be super careful about what they eat and drink to avoid gas buildup. So, next time you think about burping in space, remember, it's a risky business.